Procedure for removal, cleaning, and reassembly of Tymplite probe. Remove the ear tip from the probe assembly. Hold the probe and rotate the nose cone in anti-clockwise direction and remove it gently. Separate the probe tip from the boss nut. To remove the seal rubber, use a suitable tweezer or a thin wire. Inspect the seal rubber and probe tip for wear and tear and presence of wax or dirt. If the seal rubber or probe are found to be damaged, replace them immediately. If wax or debris is observed, remove it carefully using a dental floss or a thin, soft tool such as a wire. After cleaning all 4 holes of the probe tip properly, gently place the seal rubber inside the probe tip. Place the assembled probe tip onto the nut assembly with correctly aligned grooves on both parts. Place the nose cone onto the probe head and rotate it in the clockwise direction and tighten it. Ensure that it is secure but not over-tightened. Finally, place the ear tip back onto the probe. Importance of regular probe cleaning. Regular cleaning of the probe is essential. If cleaning is not performed routinely, earwax may enter the interior of the probe and damage the microphone and speakers, thereby rendering the probe inoperational. To minimize the risk of wax deposition, it is strongly recommended to perform an otoscopic examination of the patient's ears prior to administering the tympanometry test.
Calibration is essential to ensure the tympanometer delivers accurate and reliable results. It verifies that the pressure system is functioning correctly and confirms the instrument is ready for patient testing. Regular calibration helps maintain consistent performance and ensures dependable diagnostic measurements. Press the volume calibration icon from the welcome window to begin the calibration process. Place the probe in the 0.5 milliliter cavity and wait for the indicator circle to turn green. Repeat the same procedure with the 2 milliliter cavity, followed by the 5 milliliter cavity. Once all 3 cavity volumes have been successfully calibrated, press the Save icon to store the new calibration values. The calibration screen will exit to Welcome window upon saving.
Contact us to know more.